Hello, everyone. It's Anthony Bandiero here, attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you another roadside chat. This question comes from an officer in California. Essentially, can we look for a secondary VIN on a stolen vehicle? So the officer says, can we search a secondary VIN number, not window or door jam, but like hidden, right? There's a several hidden VINs on vehicles that, you know, people in the industry kind of know where they are. People like me don't know because I'm not in the industry. He said, to see if it is a stolen vehicle. Usually I'll be granted consent to search, but in the event I'm not, in the event I'm not, I'm solely looking for the VIN. So it is not uncommon to run into high-end vehicles with VIN switches from totaled cars from an auction or a chop shop. Okay, so the first thing is, let's look at the question is, can we just kind of look for a secondary VIN just to like make sure the vehicle is not stolen? No, right? No. Even on a traffic stop, right? Let's say you pull over a car that's often stolen, you know, or you kind of have a hunch that the car may be hot, but you have no reason to believe that VIN on that dashboard is not legit, or it's not covered, right? The paperwork comes back. The driver comes back fine. In other words, you have no probable cause to believe that vehicle is stolen. You can't even open the door to look for that VIN placard on the door seal. You can't even do that, right? But Anthony, New York versus Class, U.S. Supreme Court, 1980s case says that there's no reasonable expectation of privacy in a VIN. Yeah, that's true if the VIN is visible from the public, right? You can see it on the dashboard. That doesn't mean that you can just open the guy's door just to make sure the VIN is the same. You would have to have reasons for that, right? Now, if you can't read the VIN, or again, you have probable cause that the VIN is altered and so forth, that'd be fine. So here, you're not gonna be able to do it. Now, what about cases where you're at a chop shop, right? Or you're at the the auction. I mean, you might have some laws in place that allow cops to, inspect VINs. There are laws that allow police to do this warrantless searches just to make sure that this highly regulated industry is not, involved in chop shop and so forth. But you don't have the authority just to do it as a matter of just because you want to, right? So that's the answer. You need something more than just curiosity. You would need probable cause, so the motor vehicle exception would apply, or you would need a law to tell you that you're allowed to do it. And I'm not sure about California, what law that would be. All right? But just doing it under the Fourth Amendment, no go. All right, hope this helps. Get it right every single time. Before you leave, like, subscribe, share with your friends. All right? Until next time, my friends, you guys stay safe.